So we've covered scissors. Now I want to show you the 3 types of combs that you're going to commonly deal with when cutting hair. You've got a large cutting comb. So you can see that it has wider teeth and then it has finer teeth. This is great for solid haircuts, long haircuts. Also too, I just tend to work with a longer one because that's all I ever trained on. However, if you find this fiddly, then that's the next guy down. And then that's just like a regular cutting comb. It's kind of good for shorter hairstyles, men's work and all of that too. Again, it has the finer teeth and then it has the wider teeth. And then the lucky last one that you'll deal with when you're getting into more like your short kind of haircuts is a tapering comb. I used to call this a barbering comb, but it's a tapering comb. So can you see how it's got like a little slant? So again, it's wide teeth and finer teeth. So tapering comb, large cutting comb, and your regular cutting combs. So that's your 3. Now I'm going to show you how to section using your comb for cutting. Cool. Okay, so I thought that we would need to show you how to section. Like section is something that kind of just comes naturally to a lot of hairdressers. However, you've got to remember when you're first learning, some things are kind of awkward. So for cutting, I tend to like to section with a cutting comb just because it makes my line cleaner and it's just a lot easier to deal with. So when you're doing it, whatever you want and wherever you want your part to be, you put your end of your comb in there. So you're going to pop your comb in there, follow it around, and whatever you don't want, you're going to push it away. So see how I've just made that little part there and then I'm combing it away. Okay, and then you can come and comb it this way. Cool. I do see people trying to do this. It sometimes works. However, the teeth of the comb are designed to kind of move it out of the way and get in control. Okay, so that's simple sectioning with your comb. I use the wide part of my comb to section mostly just because it makes it a lot easier. Okay, so I'll show you coming across in a straight way, so in a horizontal line. So combing it across wherever I want it, I'm going to put the end of my comb and whatever I want away, I comb it out of the way. That way it creates a nice straight line. Okay. The other way of sectioning is to use your sectioning clip. Okay, so a sectioning clip. You don't want to have it all just come in like that. It's messy. It's about having this little guy open. So you want to open it and then you want to run that little bottom part along the scalp. You see that? So you're running it along the scalp. Whatever you don't want, you push away and you pick up from the top. Okay, I do find it can be a little bit more messy when you're using your clip to get things out of the way. However, the faster and the better you get at cutting, you'll be able to use your clip. But for the moment, and the best way to do it is to use your comb. Okay, so that's your clip. Section it, you can see it's not as clean as opposed to when you're using your comb. Okay, just makes it way easier and neater.